everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I'm going to show you what to do with your turkey carcass after Thanksgiving. This is a roaster, but you can use a stock pot, you can use a crock pot, whatever you have. You put your turkey carcass, and I do about 5 things of water in the carcass. And to that carcass for flavor, I add 1 onion to make your stock more flavorful. And this is, you know those small baby carrots? Well, this is about a half a bag. And 3 stalks of celery cut up. I'm gonna let that cook for at least 8 hours. This makes a very scrumptious bone broth, great for any soups, any turkey soups. You can make turkey noodle soup, turkey and dumplings, or a fabulous turkey corn chowder. You could even separate it in multiple. I could easily separate this into 2 and have 2 different kinds of soup from this amazing broth, and just add about a cup or cup and a half of turkey to it to have amazing soup, which is awesome for cold and flu season. And it's also a great stretch of your budget because this meal is so expensive this year, and our budget is kind of blown with the cost of groceries right now. So this is a great budget-friendly tip. I leave this cooked for 8 hours. Sometimes I just leave it cook overnight until the next morning after Thanksgiving. And when I wake up, I take this and put it through a strainer and make sure you get all the bones out. You don't want anybody choking on a bone. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.